Okay, so I've been called out this job this morning. Someone's replaced this socket in the last, I don't know, few weeks or whatever it is. And apparently when this fridge is plugged in, it causes the RCD to trip. The lady's bought a new fridge because she was told that was the problem. And so I'm here now just to have a quick look. Now, this particular socket, you can see it goes through the wall and it is just fed from a socket behind the fridge. That socket's fine. This socket seems to be a problem. So we're just gonna have a quick, we'll just have a quick look. And so what I imagine is something's touching or something's wired up incorrectly. Not that you can really wire these up incorrectly, but it's amazing what people do. Okay, so you can see it's new colours. And you can probably spot straight away what the problem is. So the neutral has been put into the earth, the live goes into the live, and then obviously the earth has been put in the neutral, so you've got those bits found the wrong way. Easy fix. I've put a new socket front on. The other socket was just a little bit cheap, really. Apparently the guy that replaced it, he was a builder stroke plumber, but also he said he was a qualified electrician as well. The new socket on the neutral was a little bit tight, fitting it on here because the neutral's on the other side. Just plug the tester in. And hopefully that should all be okay. So I think this is a spare on the original ring circuit, so it's on a 32 amp breaker, so 0.43 is pretty good. Let's do the next, just check the other one. .44. Happy with that, and so nice simple job for the morning.